And and today we're going to be talking about the Node.js, where basically we're just using live servers to basically do our backend development, where we can gather information and store stuff locally. So for this assignment, if you go to right here, for this assignment, we see that it wants us to basically install node.js, which I already did. And then it wanted us to navigate to the directory, do the command init, and then install it, which I did do. And then it wanted us to create a server, open the server, and import the file using require .express, which we also did do. And then I wanted us to create this, define the API points using API.get, and then start the server. So let me go to my code. First of all, let's go to the JavaScript code. So in the JavaScript code, we have basically all it wanted us to do was use the express require function, where it just requires it, and then we call it or we don't call it, but we define app as the express function, and then we make the port 3000. So when we go into our terminal and we do the whole process, it basically will make it so not your terminal. When you go to a website, you would put basically right here we have localhost 3000 books. So that's basically saying the port is 3000. Pretty self-explanatory. Where did my code go? Okay. So there's the port, app, blah blah blah, and it wanted us to create 3 different types of books. So right here we have an array where we have multiple items in the array. So in this we have item 1, title book 1, author 1, blah blah blah. Then we have app.getBooks, and then it basically is transferring it over to JSON, so the format turns into JSON, so it's able to read when you're transferring it through. And then it wants us to basically, we have the listen function, where it basically, when we put in when we type in our server, or not our server, when we type in our terminal, it will prompt this right here. So if we go to our terminal, we'll see that we have, we install it right here, install everything, and then we have, we open the directory, the CD API. I already created it and I closed the terminal, so there's some code that I don't need to show because I already did it, and it will create a new thing for it, which is not needed. But basically, all you have to do is say node, which basically, it's kind of like basically just saying do this, and then server.js, and then again this is the console.log saying server is running local.host 3000, as shown right here. Server's running blah 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 blah. Port, in this case port is just 3000. And then in our terminal, I have it running still, because if you X out of the terminal, it's going to stop it from running. There's different ways to keep it running in the background, but if we go over to the this is the website. So as you can see, if I put this, nothing, it says cannot get books, blah blah blah. But if you delete the period, this is mine, and you can, it has this option where you can do pretty print, which is basically showing in a JSON format, as you can see by the quotations and everything. But yeah, this is how it's shown, and yeah, thank you for watching.